the beginning. I never thought it would be you when we were chilling, smiling in the photo booth. But we got closer, so you were eating off my spoon and coming over, and we were